Greetings, cartoon car lovers. Today we have the 2004 first edition of the Fatbax Mustang GT from 2004. Is this the only year that Fatbacks were made? 2004? Did they ever make like recolors or anything in a different year? That I'd be interested to learn about. I have a suspicion they only made this run because they're just so weird that I could totally understand why no one would buy these. But that allowed me to buy them quite cheaply off eBay. They're like $2 each delivered. Alright, so here's some images of a 04 Mustang cartooned out. I'm not really liking them. I guess that one's alright. That one's pretty cool. That one's pretty cool too, the orange one. Alright, well, we got a metallic yellow and then Tampo printed on it. We got this orange and black theme going on. The engine is totally chromed out, and the front details, no printing, but you got definition of the grill areas, these vents here, and the lights. On the bottom we have a metal base and exhaust pipes coming out the side. So a recess there, and then it actually tells you 04 Mustang there, so that's cool. 2003 copyright, so that's good. And then you got the goofy wheels. They're gonna get swapped out, but I gotta say, these things do roll pretty well because they are domed, so it only rolls in the middle part. You know, it's not dragging the whole plastic. The taillights are nicely defined, so they should be easy to paint. Blank area here for the plate. This is all blank. I don't know if that should actually be gray or black, though. I don't know. Alright, the wing is just casted in, of course, and that's fine for a cartoon car or even a lot of regular, realistic looking Hot Wheels. There's no interior, so it's got a blacked out window here, and side vents are molded in. No door handles that I can see, and a fuel filler on this side. Alright, well, interesting. Let me see what I can come up with. Alright, so we're back here, and these wheels are real in real life. They're made by a brand called Weld Racing. They're just some sort of drag wheels or something, multi-piece drag wheels. They usually come in black and silver, but I was too lazy to paint all that stuff, so yeah, these are giant tires. I actually had to print them twice. The first time they're too small to measure the outside of the Fatbax wheel. It was too small. I also had to shave away part of the interior piece here inside because it was hanging down too much and it would have let the tire fit in there. But seeing how the thing has a blacked out cockpit, it doesn't even matter. So it's really interesting. I'm not even sure. Well, I guess maybe other. I don't know if they ever made one with clear windows. I think I made two versions of this thing. Well, anyways, it does roll. It does on the wheelie as well, so it's definitely a drag-looking vehicle. Yeah, so you can see how wide the tires are. 3D printed. And there's a lot of axle play you can see here in these Fatbacks. I don't think I had no paint there. I did add red here for the taillights. And then, what else? Oh, yeah, a little black here and some color. Man, it started falling off. Not much wants to stick to this paint. This is actually a Molotov paint pen, but even so, painting it is paint and it still wants to fall off, so it's a real shame. Oh well. Okay, well, let's look at a couple other Mustangs, or see what that's all about. Here's some cool caricatures I found. That thing is insane. Here's an actual 1/64 scale. This is a Mustang Mach 1 from Kyosho. And it's a pretty cool model, I think. I gotta compare it to my Auto World. Get around to that one day. Maybe it'll come out before this video. Cherokee-wise, we do have this yellow Cherokee Mustang of a classic one, like a 65 or something. I don't know if it says on the bottom. No, it's all Japanese. Well, I think it's a 60s Mustang of some sort. And then here's the same casting, but it's from a series called Old Garage, and you can see the tires are purposely all pitted and rotted out. And it just looks like an old barn find or something like that. It's pretty neat. I like the idea behind it. It's translucent plastic. You can see the light shining through. Okay. think. It must be digital. I think this one is sketched. Actually, with pens and pencils. Being a yellow vehicle, I think I gotta get one of these minions out here. 100%. Okay, well, these fatbacks are really something else. They're ridiculous, and that's why I like them. So if you like this sort of stuff, get on eBay and get some of your own, because they seem to be cheap. No one else seems to like these things. So, alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for in the next video. Sorry for my sloppy English, and we'll see you then. Bye now.